morning, my dear friend. I'm happy to be standing here as the president of this chess club. Thank you so much, Aaron, for believing in me. Let me share how my journey started in this chess club. I joined this chess club since 6 years old. I love chess and I wanted a platform to be able to improve my skills. This past 1 year, I not only improved my skills, and my great friends who helped me a lot in this journey. I would like to thank my coach, Josephine, for teaching me about chess. I would like to thank my teammates for their encouragement. I would also like to thank my parents for supporting me. Without them, I would not be able to go this far. In this chess club, there are lots of benefits. The benefits are: number 1, chess tournaments which we can join. Number 2, discount 20% on chess set. And number 3, for members, they can play at our training center 5 days per week. Non-member 1 day per week. What will I do? I'll be serving 1 year as the president of this chess club. I would like to make an impact to all my fellow members. These are the 3 things I'll carry out. Number 1, we will get more chess courts so people can practice. Number 2, hire an assistant coach to help us. And number 3, get more members from 15 to 50 members. I will not be able to do this myself. That's why I need all of you to help. I'll serve with all my heart and I will give my very best for my chess academy. Thank you.